This is Michael Yuan. We have created a coding assistant for the aelf blockchain platform. It is based on the Chen Coder's 7B model. I consider that a small language model trained for coding tasks. We then supplemented it with aelf SDK documentation. The model and the knowledge base is deployed on a Gaia node. Let's see how it works inside the Zed IDE. First off, I don't know how to get started, so I fired up the Zed coding assistant. Note that the AI backend for the Zed assistant is a Gaia node called Chen Coder aelf. I just asked how to get started. This step-by-step answer here is very good. It tells me the files I need to create and the purpose of those files. aelf is a .NET-based system. It allows you to write smart contracts in C# and define interfaces in PhotoBuff. It tells me how to create and compile the PhotoBuff file. That is really good, since the information is not even in the official Quick Start documentation. I follow up with a question about how to deploy the smart contract and how to interact with it by calling its methods. The answers are also pretty good. So I followed the instructions and created this Hello World project. I'm back in Zed and open the project. Let's open the coding assistant again. We want to make some changes to the code. Make sure that the backend AI is still the Chen Coder model on Gaia network. Now let's add the PhotoBuff, smart contract, and contract state to the context, since we want to make changes to them. I tell the assistant to change the state value in Hello World from a string to an integer. This requires changes to all three files in our project. The suggestions and explanations look good. Now I go to the code editor and ask it to make the change. The assistant in the code editor has knowledge of the chat conversation to the right, so it knows the code segment I'm talking about. I wish this automatic editing is better, but this will do for now. Now let's go to the contract state C# file and ask to make the changes too. Finally, we ask the AI assistant to change the photo profile. It changes the string types to integer types in all three files. Anyway, this demo shows the capability of a small coding model and Zed IDE to help you learn and write some highly specialized code, in this case, to create aelf blockchain smart contracts using C#. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.